Hi everyone, this is Mr. De Vicente, your EL support specialist here at Pinacati Middle School. I'm going to go through a short tutorial on how to generate your list for EL students by period. So what you want to do is go to mypuhsd.org and find your way to the staff resources. Click on edams.com and sign in with your district login. And you should get to this home page for our assessment bank. And then you want to go to reports and go to group reports, then click on enrollment reports, and you should see your name come up here. And I'm going to use Mr. Bugarin for an example. And you can see your student number will come up here, but you want to filter that to EL students only. So under demographics, click on EL status and generate your report. I'm going to quickly go to advanced and hide the student's name for the purposes of this video. And now you can see all his students that are EL identified. Now you can go to sorting by period and apply. Go to demographics to confirm their EL status and their last known CELT level. Click apply, and then you sort by period and then by CELT level, and I'm going to go high to low. Click apply, and there you go. If you do not hide their name, their student name should come up here, and they are now sorted by period. You can see that he has 81 students that are identified EL. Their last known CELT level, 4s, 3s, 2s, and 1s by period. And the last column here identifies them as EL. And there you go. That's how you generate your list for EL students throughout the day. And so you know what students you need to provide extra support to. If you have any questions on this video or what it means to be an EL student or what kind of support materials you need to provide or support strategies for EL students, please see me in the library or send me an email. Again, this is Mr. Jose De Vicente, and signing off.